Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering your Emoji laptop and signing in. Once done, make sure the system is online so any updates apply. Go straight to Settings, open Keyboard or Input Methods, and turn on the Emoji panel or Viewer. Now test the hotkey. On many systems, it's Win+, or Control-Command-Space, so you can call the emoji overlay quickly. This initial step unlocks the visual drawer you'll use in apps, and it saves time compared to opening menus each time. You're ready to insert emojis into any app. Open your chat, document, or post composer and call the emoji panel with the shortcut. Use the search bar to find symbols fast, switch categories for groups, and pick skin tone or gender variants where available. If you want repeated emojis faster, add them to favorites or create text shortcuts in keyboard settings. Many apps also support custom uploads or extensions. By customizing now, you'll speed future typing and maintain consistent tone across messages. Finish by saving favorites and making quick templates for common reactions. Once saved, sync them to other devices if your account supports it, so you keep a consistent set. Use the clipboard history or picker to paste recently used emoji sequences into emails or documents. If the emoji panel fails, first reboot or restart the keyboard/input service, then check for OS or driver updates and re-enable the input method in settings. That troubleshooting sequence resolves most issues quickly and gets you back to expressive typing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.